Hi, this is Uzair Barlas from Technologies, and today I'm here to introduce you to one of the most advanced and easy to use desktop publishing software, Easy Flyer Creator. This software can not only create flyers but can also help you design and create brochures, certificates, tickets, and various mail merge documents. This software can be used on the Windows-based PC such as desktop, laptops, netbooks, and most importantly the tablet PCs. Today I'm going to use Windows 7 based tablet PC to demonstrate the functionality of the software. This is the main screen of the Easy Flyer Creator, and we have various templates from various industries. I'm going to select one of the industry like real estate and select a template to work on it and click next, and this is going to show the template of the flyer. To change the pictures on the flyer, we can just drag and drop pictures onto the flyer to change it. So all we have to do is drag the picture onto the flyer and it changes the image. We can also resize the picture by using pinch zoom. That's a new feature added into this new version of the Easy Flyer Creator. Similarly, we can add various other pictures or change the older ones according to our needs. We can also do the advanced editing of the image. All we have to do is right click on the image and select edit, and it's going to open up the advanced image editor that comes with the Easy Flyer Creator. We can use this advanced image editor built into the software to edit individual images. We can also use pinch zoom to resize the image according to our needs, and there are various other features for image editing in the toolbars above. We can put different effects onto the picture. We can make some adjustments like brightness, contrast, or color change. We can crop the image, or we can flip or rotate it if we need to. For this purpose, I'm going to use the cropping tool. I'm going to define an area to crop and hit image, crop to selection, and it's going to crop the image to the size we have selected. Close the advanced image editor and hit save. And it's going to apply the changes to that image onto the flyer. Now we can adjust the position and sizing of the flyer wherever we need to. We can also add or edit text in the flyer. To add the text, all we need to do is hit the Add Text button. And position it according to our needs. We can add the text. We can add the address onto the text. As you can see, our text is added onto our image. We can move it and place it wherever we want it to be. And as you can see, you can't really see the text over here because it's white in color, but we do have the option to change the color or font of the text. So here are the text editing features. First of all, let's change the color of the text. Let's make it blue, so it's a little bit more visible, and I may need to reduce the size of the font and realign it into the center of the image. If we want to we can also add the outline to this text. You have to select the text outline button and we have to pick the color. Let's give it something bright. And that's the outline onto the text. Now we can also add the shadow to the text and define the color for it. So here's the shadow adding feature. It depends how long the shadow is and what would be the color for the shadow. I'll select something darker so that you can see. You can always select it based on your needs. We can also delete the unnecessary images or contents of this flyer. So let's suppose if we need to delete this picture, we can select it and right click on it and hit delete. Similarly, you don't need this picture, we can also use this delete button onto the software and it can delete the image. Now if we need to add the map onto the flyer, that's also quite easy with this software. All we need to do is hit this plugins button and select add maps. Or we need to give an address for the location we need to go to. So let me add the address. And it will find the address. I don't need this keyboard anymore, so let's get rid of that. And hit apply. And here's the map that we just loaded from the map plugin. We can place it wherever we want to, and we can also resize it if we need to. Another feature of Easy Flyer Creator is to add barcodes onto the flyer. For adding the barcodes, we would again go to the plugins menu and we'll hit add barcodes. We can either add a simple barcode, a QR codes, or a Microsoft tag. For this purpose I'm going to use a QR code. And we can add the text like the URL, the property address, the agent's contact number or phone number that we need to add, or an email address, and it will save that information in the QR code. So let me put my name and phone number over here. If somebody wants to reach me for this property, and then we will select the size of the QR code. Let's select to the 6 and hit apply. Now here's the QR code that we just added. Now this QR code can be scanned using the smartphones and it will give the information that I just added onto the flyer. Now if you see the flyer is complete, all we need to do is hit next and it's going to show you a preview of the flyer. And if it looks good, you can hit print or save, or if you want to email it to somebody, you can do that. I'm going to print it and you can select the printer and print the document